Hi, I'm Mark Mancini with VRBO Outstanding and Vacation Home Rentals, and we're going to show you some quick and easy bling for your Cybertruck. So this is some really cool bling from EVBase. So when I open either the driver's side door or the passenger door in the rear, watch what happens. We've got some colorful bling. Now this EVBase light kit, you can change the colors, the pattern, and that's the red I chose. Also makes it a little easier to see. And in the rear door, you've got it there as well. So the cool thing about this, it is strictly magnetic. It charges via USB port. You plug it into USB, let it charge for a couple hours, drop it right on in here. It's just an easy magnet. Actually, I have it in the wrong spot. It's right over here. There we go. And if you accidentally step on it, the great thing is it won't break. Then when you need to finally charge it, even though this charge will last you probably for a couple months, you just pop it right off because it's just a magnet, and there you go. So some cool, easy bling for your Cybertruck. Makes it a little easier to enter your door, and it's cool for people to see. We'll see you again next week.